The 7th China General Chamber of Commerce Chicago Annual Gala was recently held in Chicago. Officials in U.S. Midwestern cities attending the event expressed hope for seeking more cooperation opportunities with China.
I thought this was one more chance to build global friendships and build sort of that subnational base of people that would be involved in making the world a little bit safer, a little bit more prosperous. I like the opportunities that present themselves. These two great countries have obligations not only to themselves and each other, but to the rest of the world.
What we're doing there is that we are creating a relationship around music and arts that we want to evolve as a part of our community. We believe that we have a very fertile area to attract the talents and skills.
We have two sister cities in China, interested in making sure that the Kansas City and China relationship grows and fosters. I'm very optimistic about the China-U.S. relationships, and especially after my visit to China, definitely excited about potential opportunities for people-to-people exchanges so we can continue to strengthen the friendship with China.